Seriously, Pat McGrath brings it.
Hi, thank you so much for joining me here today on my channel. And for this video, which is going to be my first time to play with the R2D2 C3PO. Hi, I'm Michelle. In case you're new here, I do a lot of makeup and nail content on my channel. So if that sounds like something you're into, or if you're into me, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button before you go if you enjoy. That being said, thank you so much for being here with me today for this video, which is going to be my first time to play with the C3PO palette. Yeah, with the C3PO palette. I'm really excited to play with this. Finally, I'm a little slow on the Star Wars collection, but if you want to know why and you missed my previous video about it, it'll be up here in the cards if you want to check that out, and down in the description box. You know how it goes. Check it out when this video is over if you're interested. But today I am going to play with this palette and I am really excited. So let me look at it. Can't even remember what it looks like now. So tell me, if you have this or if you purchased it, would you keep the packaging or just the palette? Because I don't know if I should throw the package out. Let's get into the palette. Ooh, okay, that's really pretty. And I feel like it's gonna go perfect with my dress. Does this one have a matte? I think this one might have either two mattes or two satins. I don't think is it a satin? I'm not really sure, but let's get into the palette. I don't have any blush on and I haven't set my face. Let me set my face. Just so I can make sure that if I get any fallout, it won't stick really to my makeup. Okay, friends, I'm super excited. I'm ready to go in with my C3PO palette. Okay, this is really cute. I'm gonna go in with this really pretty, peach shade, kind of rosewood shade, maybe I would say. I think that's a satin. Maybe matte. Let's see. Oh yeah, it is her mattes. Yay. Because that makes it so much easier when you have a matte to work with, for real. Okay, that's actually really bright and pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go into the dark brown matte with a slightly smaller blender. Can you see that out here? I feel like this shade's gonna be really dark. I'm gonna deepen up my outer corner with this. It's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. More of that brown. So glad there's mattes in this palette. Okay, friends, here is where we're at so far. Now it's time for things to get a little scary. Hold on. I feel like it's obvious that this brown satin goes really nicely with this brown here. Ooh. So I think what I'm gonna do for that one is just to provide a little bit of shimmer, but not too much differentiation from the rest of the lower lash line. I'm gonna put that there in the inner corner just to catch a little bit of the light. My dogs just came in from outside, so if you start to hear crazy sounds, that's why. Okay. I do like the way that looks in the inner corner. I am really enjoying this palette a lot. I feel like this palette is a lot easier to work with than the Darth Vader one was for me. And that's just because of the mattes. Okay, I feel like it's time to just, I'm gonna go in with this really beautiful golden shade on my finger because I feel like I've already learned my lesson about that. And I'm, I want to touch it again. Yeah, that's what she said. Okay, I'm gonna put this here. Oh, goodness. That's really pretty. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Except that now I have makeup on my finger. Keep one of my little eye cleaners. My makeup eraser eye ones. Okay. I feel like next I should take this brown shade. Ooh, that's so creamy. Oh, look at that color. Can you see this color? Oh my God, let's just see what it does. Oh, wow. Let me just, I hope that that's translating from what I'm seeing here in the mirror because, oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa. That color is stunning. Okay, let me just try to, get some detail work done. I'm gonna go in now with this Fluffy Smith triangle packer brush into the gold and just try to bring that back over onto the brown. Did you see what that did? I don't even think I need any more, but I'm gonna add more because why not? Oh my goodness. I feel like these are the most beautiful warm tones I've ever played with in my life. Oh my God. I still have one more palette, one more eyeshadow to touch. Hold on. I'm gonna go in with the Sonia Flat Definer. Ooh, this one's glittery though. I don't want glitter in my eye. Yeah, this one's a lot more powdery. This one is not as creamy. But I'm gonna try it without glitter glue because I just don't feel like I just don't feel like messing with it, and I just want to see what happens. I hope that it doesn't glitter all over my face. Okay, that was not as light. Oh, goodness gracious. That is a pink flame. Okay, hold on now. Whoa. That was my dog snorkeling. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so let's try that again. Now keep in mind, I did not go in with any glitter glue at all. Holy moly.
Seriously, Pat McGrath brings it like no other luxury brand does. Wow. Oh my gosh. I want the flames to come up out into my eyebrow now because it's just too amazing. So I'm bringing it all the way up. I want you to see it from every freaking angle of my face. Whoa. Is the look a little intense? Yeah. Let me blend out the top edge a little bit. I feel like now that I've got everything in place, I can blend out this corner here and this corner here. Whoa. Okay, guys. Here is the finished look. Let me add some eyeliner and mascara and I'll be right back and you can help me pick a blush, okay? Okay, friends, here's the finished eye look up close. Now I'm gonna go in with a blush. Which blush? I feel like we should take this fiery color out of the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this fiery coral, which is gonna be a little scary looking at first, but just give me a minute to play with it. Really, really pretty with that sheen in it. A little powdery coming off into the palette, if you can see that. Wow. I absolutely love this fiery coral blush. I do need to buff it in though. And it kind of has a really intense sheen, so it's almost like a built-in highlighter. But we are gonna use highlighter. Might as well use this same brush. I'm gonna go in with this same highlighter. Starting to get the hang of this one. Ooh, yes. Like if there wasn't enough glow, can you see it? I don't know if it's catching the light, but here in person, oh my. Okay, and you want to buff in the glitter particles so it's not just like glitter sitting on the cheek. That's what I found out. Looks a lot better that way. Slightest little bit on the nose, even though it's super glittery. And that's just because the eye look is really intense. So I feel like this look can carry a hardcore highlighter. So, okay, let's take a look at the finished product. I feel like the blush still needs to be buffed in. So one sec. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, here is the finished look with this palette. Let me know what you think. We did use all of the shades today, and I really, really like this palette. This palette is an easy win. I don't know why it was on clearance for $22.50 and there was still so much stock before the Sephora sale, but it did go back up to full price. I was lucky, like for the Sephora sale, it went back up to full price, whatever was left in stock. And I was lucky enough to accidentally pick 2 of these up while they were on sale for $22.50. So I think I'm going to be really happy to have 2 of these because I could see me traveling with this palette. I can see me using this palette both for summer and fall. This eye look is easy. It's an easy, intense, but not too stand out kind of a color. Anyhow, yeah, I absolutely love this palette so much. I had so much fun playing with it today. I love the look. Let me know what you think of it down below. I would love to chat with you there. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to click the thumbs up. It really does help me out so much. And make sure you're subscribed so we can hang out again. See you in my next video. Bye.